Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and maybe replace the driveshaft on Volkswagen Golf 4. Removing the driveshaft is the same on the left and on the right side. First we start by removing the wheel. Next we're going to remove the lower bolt for the twist rod, and then we're going to remove the 3 bolts holding the ball joint. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the nut holding the CV joint to the wheel hub. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the driveshaft to the transmission. Now that we've removed all the bolts, we can take out the driveshaft. If it doesn't want to come out, maybe we can pry it out a little bit with a screwdriver and it will come out eventually. Now that the driveshaft is free from the transmission side, we can take it out at the wheel hub and then just take out the whole driveshaft. And that's the driveshaft out. Thank you for watching.